Well, good day everybody, and thanks for popping through. Well, today we're going to go to the top of the Wivenhoe Dam. Yes, that's right. I've been mucking around with Davinci, looking at what I can do with graphics and all sorts of stuff. And let me tell you do not want to know how long it took me to do that. Oh, geez, I tell you, eyes are hanging out my head. As I said, we're going up to the top of the Wivenhoe Dam today. Now, Aaron and I set off up there. He had the Mavic 2 Pro and I had the Mavic Pro. And we're going up there and we're going to check the water levels out and all that sort of stuff. Very, very dry up there. So we got a lot of footage, basically. Nothing spectacular today, really. Very cloudy, as I said. No sun, very dreary sort of day. Ari did get a nice shot going over the water where these birds were flying in this V formation, a couple of feet off the water there, so that was a really nice shot to get. But all in all, really not a good day to get much decent footage. So please enjoy the footage we have here today at the top of the Wivenhoe, and hit the like and the subscribe if you want to. That would be fantastic. And I shall see everybody on the next one. Ciao.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance?